Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be sharing a tutorial on how to perform a factory default on a Hikvision NVR. To initiate the factory default process on the Hikvision NVR, begin by right-clicking on the monitor screen and selecting the menu option. Access the maintenance menu, then select Default to proceed with the factory default procedure. Click on the factory default button, and then confirm by selecting Yes. At this point, the factory default process is nearly complete. Allow the NVR to reboot. Once the NVR has powered on again, it will have successfully returned to its initial settings. That's it. How to perform a factory default on a Hikvision NVR. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.